Hello everyone, I am Maggie Saleto, presenting the ideology of MMM. What is Triple M? Triple M is a community of free and fair financial assistance. In Triple M, there are no legal binding contracts or pledge of property in order to participate. It is not a company nor a hype. How can one participate in Triple M? Participants register online and get access to their MMM personal offices. Each participant has one personal office. Participants in Triple M offer financial assistance to each other when they can. They can also request assistance from the system when they are in need of such assistance. These activities are controlled in their PO through two buttons, the Provide Help button and the Get Help button. Participants are providing help out of their own will, and then they are rewarded MAFOs, which grow at 30% rate a month. What are the values of Triple M? In order to be sustainable, Triple M requires that its members be honest and treat each other with kindness. What MMM strives for? Triple M coordinates millions of people from all over the world, helping those who have spare money and are willing to offer financial assistance find those in need of such assistance. The purpose of MMM is to offer people a fair financial assistance. It strives for the betterment of those who work tirelessly trying to make ends meet, trying to pay off their debts, or even providing food for their families. It is only helping people to live a decent life and more favorable. It is bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, rectifying the injustices of the current financial order, where the rich remain rich and the poor remain even more poorer. As we have all been taught from childhood by our great grandparents and our parents, that money does not grow on trees or fall from the sky, and that one must work very hard in order to have money, and that money must be earned honestly and decently. Can you still live up to this saying? To answer this, let us compare the miner or a factory worker with a banker. A miner or a factory worker works very hard every day, investing both physically and mentally in their work for longer hours, even under unbearable conditions. A banker does not work hard at all, or should I say, a banker does not work at all. He does not engage in any physical activity at all. Now let us look at their ways of living. A miner or a factory worker does not get paid that much. They are burdened and in debt and always stressed out. On the other hand, the banker has lots and lots of money, lives much better than a miner or a factory worker. Is money really a measure of labor? Well, no, not at all. We are only made to believe that it is normal, but the truth is it is not. We are just hard slaves of money. We work for money but never have enough. as the price of everything is rising too high in today's world. Let us declare an economic war against the unfair and unjust financial order of today. With Triple M, together we change the world.